That's pretty cool. So, this is like the starters. This is pretty cool. I like that. Oh my god! You did it again! Hi, Niku! Oh my god. I have to do math? Oh no. Algebra. Ay ay ay. Where's my math book? Here, I'll go fetch it. Okay. So 1 plus 1 is 5. No, 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 that's wrong. Let me see. Flip Studio. Why Flip Studio specifically? What's a different one? Let me see. So, there we go. I gotta check. First I gotta wait for my program to open, and I gotta hope my computer doesn't blue screen. Then I gotta figure out what math to do. Rubik's Cube. Bye. So, let me see. Grab OBS. Move it over here. And what do I use to... There we go. File, new. There we go. It is time. I should probably, since we're gonna be doing this, I might as well, do a little thing. Since we're gonna do math. This is pretty cool. Let's go, Ember. Get in the bowl. I don't want you to get confused. This is Wild Zone 3. Here in the flesh. We have alphas? Yes, we have alphas. So, I'm gonna leave this happening over here. And while this does that, we are going to do math. I'm gonna put my glove on for math. So. There we go. So. What is this? Oh, it got stuck. Okay, nice. Thank you, program. Apparently, it's just frozen now. Nope. It thinks I'm pressing the spacebar. It's very cool. Bath time. Alright. There we go. So, 2x minus 2y plus c equals minus 5. Right? Yeah. 2x minus y plus c equals minus 3 and minus x plus 3y minus c equals 8. That's what we got. This is my second math time. How do you just... Why is it gone? I forgot to turn this back on, didn't I? I don't know what I did. Anyways, I wrote this down. So... Math time alert! Here's a fun fact, now that we're at it. The outside of sunflower seeds is not edible. And it tastes like cardboard. Or very thin wood. So I'm pretty sure it's made out of wood, because that's what it tastes like. Anyways. Let's go. Let's go. X minus 2y plus c equals minus 5 and 2x minus y plus c equals 3. I'm gonna do times minus 2 and this one just times 1. Just leave it like that. So that becomes minus 2 x. Oh, x. Oh, my alarm for streaming just went off. 2x plus 4y minus 2c equal just 10, and then just the same thing, 2x minus y plus c equal minus 3. So these two just cancel each other out. And we get 3y minus c. Right? Yeah. Equals 7. Okay. So it's going. I'm gonna make this smaller. I'm gonna make it smaller. Okay. Make that square small. And then we got 2x minus minus y plus c equals minus 3, and then also minus x plus 3y minus c equals 8. Those are those two. These ones are these ones, and these ones are these ones. Might color code it. Just for the sake of everyone. It's an 8. There we go. So, next up, we have to make these two have something that is the same number, like this. Let's see. That's gonna be. I'm gonna keep this at times 1, and this one just times 2. Gotta make things cancel each other out. Gonna make this smaller. I'm already going too big with the numbers again. Like their size visually. Okay. So that's 2x minus y plus c equals minus 3. And then we got minus 2x. Oh my god. Plus 6y. Minus 2c equal 16. I'm gonna just cancel this out. So that would be 5y minus c equals 13. Okay. Holy moly. Alright, next up. We have to grab... Okay. Y minus c equals 7. And the 5y minus c equals 13. We got those two things right there. I'm gonna get them up here. Right there. Okay. So with these two, we do what we did here and here. With this stuff. Making it so one of the letters is like if we make this into a plus, then we can just cancel this one out. I'm so good at doing math. I'm great at explaining. Yep, totally. So I'm gonna do just y. I'm gonna do y. So this one's gonna be times, not 5, minus 5. And this one's gonna be times 3. So like, I'm using these numbers. See, I'm just crossing it like that. One has to become negative though for them to cancel each other out, and they have to be the same number. So, yeah. That makes it like 15y minus, sorry. And Both of these are 15 now. And then this one becomes a plus, this one stays a minus. So it's 3, see? Gonna put it like that. And this one becomes 5, see? And then we have minus 35 and 39. These cancel each other out because they're the same number, but one of them is negative. So it's like saying 15 minus 15. So we got 5 minus 3. That's 2. Okay. Equals 39 minus 35. Which is just 4. And then with this, what you do is you divide this by this. And 4 divided to I mean the C equals 2. Okay. I might have to make this bigger. 1 second. What was that setting? Change canvas size. There we go. I think that should be okay. Okay. Alright, we keep going. So. Ugh, back hurts. I did not press that button. I'm just gonna grab the... Yeah, I'm gonna grab this thing. Oh, that's not the color I was using to draw. I'm gonna grab this thing here. I'm gonna replace the C with the result that we got here. So that makes it, I'm gonna do it up here. 3y minus, and where it said C, yeah, where it said C, we're gonna replace that with a 2. And then I'm gonna do the equal 7 thing. And now, from that, we'll just do 3y equals 7 plus 2, which means 3y equals 9. The 9 is divided by... Oh, my drawing program got stuck. Okay, very cool. Anyways, divided by 3, which is 3. Which means y equals 3. This is too big. Yep. Y equals 3. So from that, we just I'm gonna grab just gonna grab this one. Actually, just since this one doesn't have many lines, I need to check with other things. I'm just gonna copy paste it. Let me get lazy, please. Okay. Make it a little bit smaller. There we go. Okay, so this one. We just gotta replace the Y and the C with what we got. So it becomes, let me just do this. X minus 2 times Y is 3 plus it was 2, right? Yeah. Plus 2 equals minus 5. And then what we have to do is like we keep the X here. Then we do times 3 is like X minus 6 plus 2 equals minus 5. I just did this. It was 2 times 3, which is 6. So that means X minus... It's not a... I'm confused. Yeah, this is a minus 6. Okay. Minus 6. So this 6 is attached to this. So it's at negative 6. So that makes it 4 plus 5. Okay. So then we got X equals minus 5 plus that 4, that negative 4 over here. We make it plus 2. Do that. I don't know how to explain it. So X equals negative 1 divided by 1, because just an X would be like 1 times X, whatever X is. So that one is what we're putting here. Which would mean X equals negative 1. Now we have to verify all that. This is too big. Let me just do this. Okay. So. Next up, we got to verify the stuff. So, X is... Let me see. X is minus 1. Minus 2 times 3. Plus 2 equals minus 5. So like minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 equals minus 5. Which is minus 7 plus 2. That checks out. This is minus 7. If you add 2 to it, it's just 5. It's like counting backwards. So this one checks out. Oh my god. That's the second one. Okay. 2 times minus 1. That's cool. Holy well. Minus just 3 plus 2 equals minus 3. So that becomes minus 2 minus 3 plus 2 equals minus 3. This is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 is... checks out. Okay, and then we got... the last one, right here, is... let's see... 11 plus 3 times 3 minus 2 equals 8. Oh my god. Plus 1 plus 9 minus 2 equals 10 minus 2 does in fact equal 8. So the solution would be minus 1, 3, and 2. There we go. Little heart. That's cool. I just did math. I don't know if I did it right anymore. I forgot. I already forgot. Here, yellow. Let me make it pretty.